Wall Street is broadening beyond big tech. The shift showed up across the market. The Dow Jones reached another record. Boeing surged after the FAA certified the 737 MAX 7. Manufacturing activity climbed to its strongest level in more than 3 years. Small cap stocks moved higher with the major indexes. Technology still led the market, but it no longer moved alone. Capital also reached aerospace, manufacturing, industrial companies, and smaller businesses tied more closely to the wider US economy. The rally is gaining a wider economic base. For much of the recent market cycle, artificial intelligence and mega-cap technology carried most of the momentum. Now, stronger corporate earnings and improving industrial activity are widening the companies receiving market support. The significance is not simply that more stocks rose. Market leadership is beginning to reflect more parts of the American economy. Software, cloud spending, and artificial intelligence remain central to the market. But production, aerospace, and manufacturing are returning to the same capital conversation. The next market signal will come from whether this wider participation holds true earnings, business investment, and economic data. A narrow rally depends on a few companies continuing to outperform. A broader market can draw momentum from more parts of the economy. Wall Street has not moved away from big tech. It has started building beyond it.